Hey guys, welcome back. This is part 2 of the Kfx450r little project we're working on. Basically, we're just doing maintenance and checking it all over. This video, we're going to check out the brakes, we're going to check out wheel bearings, ball joints, tie rod ends, and the rear carrier bearings, and just clean everything up real nice and get this thing ready to sell. So hopefully you guys enjoy. If you have any questions or comments, don't be afraid to ask. We got the front wheel off, and now we're just going to check the brake pads and see how much life is left in them. As you can see, they are dirty, but they have lots of life. So we're just going to clean these up with some purple power, put the wheel back on, and then we're going to check the other side. And dumb me forgot to check the wheel bearings and the tie rod ends on this side. So we got to tighten the wheel back up, and then we can check everything. The other side I'm checking to see if there's any play in the front end at all. Wheel bearings, tie rod ends, bushings, anything at all. I feel absolutely nothing. So we're going to loosen the wheel up, take the wheel off, and check the brakes on this side as well. They should be exactly the same as the other side, but we'll find out here shortly. As you've been seeing, I like to clean the parts whenever I'm done checking them over before I put the wheels and stuff back on. Basically, no one's going to care. No one's going to see it. The buyer isn't going to see it. It's not going to really add any value, but it's just peace of mind for me to know it's nice and clean before I send it off. So luckily, the quad has a nice skid plate on the back. We're able to jack this thing up. We're going to check the carrier bearings now. The quad did have a little bit of play in the rear end, so we're going to let the buyers know that. I don't think Ryan's going to want to replace those, put the time or the money into replacing them with that little bit of play. But either way, they can get the rest of the season with these, and then, in the wintertime, the buyers can replace them. The rear brakes look just like the front brakes, so lots of life left in them, seem to be grabbing pretty well. So we're going to leave those as they are. Now the sprocket and the chain, they are dirty, but they're in decent shape. We're going to clean this up. I didn't get it on video, but we did clean the chain up pretty good with this purple power, and we're going to use the chain lube and just lube it up. And again, the buyers can check it out. If they want to replace it, they can. It works, so we're going to leave it the way it is. And now we're on top of the quad with the hand guards. Well, just one. I don't know where the other one disappeared to, but it's gone. And this is part of buying and selling. You need to see where the value's at. Now, these hand guards are what? 100, 150, whatever they are. You can get them these days. Is it going to add value to the quad? In our opinion, not enough. So we're not going to install new ones. We're going to remove these and just leave the fat bars on it. Now we're on to cleaning the quad. Basically all the work has been done. I do need to grease the controller and bushings. I forgot to do that. I will do that later. But we're using Meguiar's synthetic ceramic coating. It's basically just a wax, but we're gonna cover the quad in it and let it sit out in the sun for a little bit and then wipe it off. We're gonna kind of shine up the wheels and the tires. I like doing it. People make fun of me for it. I don't care. I like quads looking nice and clean. It's just my thing. I like them looking good. I'm also using this amazing stuff. This is that gunk engine protector, it's the Shine. wow, this stuff is amazing. Just spray it on, let it sit for a little while. You can wipe it off. It just works amazing. Makes the thing look like brand new again. So yeah, that's it. We're gonna clean this thing up, get some pictures of it, and talk to Ryan and see what kind of numbers he's looking at to sell it, and post it online. And hopefully we get rid of her. Man, does that thing look clean.